This video is made for educational purpose only with significant original text commentary.
Whoa! Fuck. Should we stay?
Yeah, put your lights on.
Tammy, we just had an accident in front of us.
Goddamn motherfucker! The fuck are you doing?
Is this part of the college?
Yeah.
Just about everything here is part of the college. Yeah. Where did he come from? He's driving.
They don't count UTMAs or custodials as collateral because it could be used for anything. There's no rule telling you what you can use it for.
I feel like they would give you less aid because they're like, oh shit. Whoa.
What, you okay?
Yeah. This guy in front of us just hit the Jersey wall. He wasn't paying attention, I guess, and just went.
Holy shit, but you're okay?
He was, there's one car in front of me and then that person, and they're still driving.
But you're okay, right?
Yeah. I was far enough back.
Breath. They're talking about how their teacher didn't teach them anything. And then oh my gosh. 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 He hit the light post. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It almost hit us, Asher.
Yeah.
It is so scary. It slipped past us.
Thank you for calling your
industrial policy can attract high-value work. When the Canadian Prime Minister stood beside aerospace engineers in Montreal, he didn't need to boast. The symbolism spoke for itself. A country once seen mainly as a secondary player in the aviation industry was securing contracts that many assumed would always remain in American hands. And if you were watching those images from across the border, you may have felt a mix of frustration and worry because they represented
Or you just pull it? Or you just pull it? No, okay. Okay. What? You want juice? Get your juice. I got your juice.
Take out that sign. Whoa! Dude, fucking hell. Cheese and rice. I could have fucking hit him. If I wouldn't have insurance anyways, and I'm only live. Holy shit!
Okay, Garmin, say video. What the fuck?
A few moments later.
That was smart.
What?
They got the gas nozzle.
They just ripped the gas nozzle out. Wow.
That's why they have those couplers. And I got it on camera.
You fucking moron.
Pasas dejas huella.
Connect a phone and try it.
Doing? I don't have to move for you, idiot. How fucking dumb do you have to be? Where's your fucking brake pedal? Huh? Where's your brake pedal? Well, you think you're just gonna intimidate me off the fucking road?
Nice doing business with you, honey, she said. Crane made a lunge towards Sneed, but Stillwell easily restrained him and swung him back hard against the bar. You people don't have shit, Crane yelled. I didn't do anything. She's an extortionist, and I was just trying to scare her off.
How may I help you?
Fucking idiot. God damn.
Santa listener. You're saying one of these.
He doesn't understand nice.
Old school. There's Hulk. Like Hulk Hogan. Cage. Ah, it's digital redneckery, and I love it. That's pretty cool looking. Ow. Oh, you can like it all day. I'm not saying I'm the
Are you
one
trying to ruin my dog, my day puppy dog?
Are you entertained by that?
Wi-Fi connected.
When really the reason you watch wrestling is for the stuff in between. Exactly, for the storylines. So is the game like, I guess you're just doing the...
Let me tell you how to judge the quality of the jewelry you're buying.
It's easier than you think.
All you have to do is read the warranty. Most stores offer a 5-year warranty.
Fuck out of here, asshole.
Lifetime warranty.
I don't have to move for you.
We can do it because we put more gold in your jewelry.
What did you realize?
You're not too fucking intelligent there, are you, buddy?
Gold into the jewelry. This makes it thinner and easier to break.
Theirs might look like ours at first glance, but Kessler's jewelry is made not to break.
Fucking
and that
idiot.
takes more gold.